Hello everyone, how are you? I am Akrash, your teacher here, and I will teach you different questions and their answers. So I welcome you on classtheta.com. So our today's question is:
Draw the organic products of the following reactions and include carbon dioxide if it is produced 03CH3CH2 CEC CH3. You do not have to consider stoichiochemistry. If a compound is formed more than once, add another sketcher and draw it again. The answer of the question is: to determine the organic products of the given reaction, follow these steps. Reaction ozone reaction with 3-methyl-1-butane CH3CH2 CEC-CH3. Step 1. Ozonolysis. In ozonolysis, the double bond reacts with ozone to form an ozonide intermediate. The ozonide is then reduced, usually with a reducing agent like zinc or dimethyl sulfide, to produce carbonate compounds for the reaction of 3-methyl-1-butane. Ozonolysis: the double bond in 3-methyl-1-butane reacts with ozone to form an ozonide. 2. Reduction of the ozonide. The ozonide is then reduced to yield the final products. Structure of 3-methyl-1-butane. CH3CH2CH is equal to CCH3. Product of ozonolysis. 1. Break the double bond and replace it with carbonyl groups. The double bond in 3-methyl-1-butane will be broken and the products will be 2 molecules of acetone propane 2,1, because the double bond in the middle or the molecular leads to 2 identical carbonyl groups. Overall reaction products: acetone propane 2,1 takes CH3 takes COCH3. Final answer for the reaction involving ozonolysis of 3-methyl-1-butane products. 1. No acetane molecule CH3COCH2. No carbon dioxide is produced in this reaction. So that's the correct answer of the question. If you have any question, just leave a comment. I'll be answering you as soon as I can. Thank you very much for watching the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe our channel. Until next session, bye bye.